Hello everyone, today's lesson is on making a title block. A title block will tell people who made the design, what date it was made, what's the title, and also what scale are we using. So the first thing we need to do is download these pictures. So click on the PLTW picture, choose the three dots and open a new tab, and now hit down. And you can see it's downloaded here. We don't need it right now, so close this tab, X this out. Same thing with New Britain High School. Three dots, open a new tab, download, and it's downloaded. Alright, we'll now open up Fusion and we'll get to work. So last place, if we go to open up your data panel, you're probably in 1.2 Part 2 building blocks. What I'd like us to do is click on IED 2025-2026, hit new folder, and we're going to call it NBHS title block, and press enter on your keyboard. Double click on this. It should be empty. Hide the data panel. Please click on File and New Drawing Template. Over here we should do from scratch, ASME. Units should be inches, sheet size should be A. It should look exactly like this, and press OK. Hover your mouse over the word project and click on it once, then right click on it and choose Edit Title Block. Where it says name, we're going to call it NBHS Title Block, and press OK. Now zoom out, and I want you to click somewhere up here and drag so that everything is hidden. I want you to press delete, not backspace. So look for the word backspace on your keyboard, and right above it is delete. Backspace is for getting rid of text, delete is for getting rid of objects. This is where it gets tricky. Choose the line, and you're going to go from corner to corner. Now click move. And what we want to do is move this up an inch. So select the object, that's our line. Transform, we're going to go from this corner. So choose this left corner and go up until it's about 1 inch. So do you see how it's 1.01? That's close enough. Press OK. Press OK. Now we're going to choose this option right here, horizontal vertical, and choose that line. That will make sure it always stays horizontal. Select a line, go from corner to this point, select move, choose this line, transform, and choose that midpoint. And this time we're going to move it 1.5 inches. So 1.5094 is close enough for what we're doing. And select there. Now press OK. Horizontal vertical, zoom in a lot, and choose that line. Make another line. Move. Select the line, transform, select the midpoint, and this time we're going to go 2 inches. So 2.0094 is close enough to 2 inches. Press OK. Horizontal vertical, zoom in, click, and zoom out. Choose line again, find the midpoint to midpoint, horizontal vertical, and select that line. Now we're going to choose the line option again. Here's like our arrow. We're going to go slightly to the left, just don't go too far, about this distance. And then here we're going to go about to the midpoint, and if either of those are on an angle, choose the horizontal vertical, and sometimes you have to zoom in to get them. And this is all the boxes we're going to put information in. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert an image, insert from my computer, click on downloads, and we're going to choose the New Britain High School logo. And before we select anywhere, we're going to hit 0.3. And you're going to just drag it towards the middle and click and press OK. Now I'm going to move it slightly towards the center. I'll fix that with the next one. Hit Insert from Computer, PLTW logo, press OK. This time our scale is going to be 0.5, so this will be about half the size. Zoom in so you can really aim for the middle and press OK. Choose text and don't get too close to any. I just did it by accident. Choose text. Maybe it's easier to do it like this. We're going to go right up here, type in name and a colon, and click off to the side, and you can drag it into the box. Let's do another text box up here. This time we're going to call it date. Oh, don't press enter, just click off to the side. Date is actually going to go in this corner. Title will go in this box. Scale will go in this box. And this very large one, we're actually going to draw a pretty big text box. Introduction or Intro to Engineering Design, and we kind of want to center it. So now every box has something in it. What we're going to do next is add an attribute, which is almost like code. So this is the attribute option, so click on that. And we're going to place this right in the middle. And drawn by is correct, so I will press close. What I'm going to do is just move it closer to the word name so it looks nicer later. I'm going to choose another attribute, and I'm going to include in the title. Now, yours might be a little different. Yours is different. So where it says type, you might not have both of these things. What you're looking for in general is somewhere it says title 1 for your attribute. You don't type it, you have to select it. Press close, and then again, I'm just going to move this closer to our title. Attribute in here, and don't worry about type. You're going to look at the word attribute, and you're looking for drawn date. Press close, and again I'm just going to move it a little closer to the word date. And the last thing I'm going to do is hit attribute, and I'm looking for drawing scale. Again, yours might not be the second depending on which version of Fusion you have. It might be up at the top, but either way you're looking for the word drawing scale. When you press close, it'll say scale. You can't hand type it. So if it looks like this, you're in great shape. Press finish title block. And it should say username, title, create date, and scale, all in those less than and greater than. If you see this, we're going to take a screenshot with Windows Shift S. And it'll automatically copy it. Open up your thing that you're turning in. Paste it in here. This is what I'm looking for. And then you could go back to the assignment and turn it in. Finally, let's make sure we save this. So this should be saved as NBHS title block template. And that's all done with this assignment. Hopefully you've gone through the steps to create this, save it, put it on our Google Classroom, and turn it in.